Good morning everybody, welcome to our Bhangra cardio session number 2. I hope you guys doing great. Today we will be doing Bhangra workout. First of all, we're gonna start with the dynamic warm-up. In this we'll be doing 3 exercises. We'll do every exercise for 60 seconds. You can do it for a long time, that's okay. After that, we will be learning all the Bhangra steps we'll be doing in a particular song. So let's begin our workout with the dynamic warm-up. The first exercise is run in place for 60 seconds. So set the clock for 60 seconds. Alright, let's begin. Keep breathing, keep your torso straight. Try to land on your toes because we will be learning Bhangra after this. So that's the key to get that bounce. You need to stay on your toes all the time. Very nice. You guys doing great. "15 seconds to go. Keep going at it. "10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Okay, you can take a rest here for 5 to 6 seconds, or you can just jump into our next exercise, which is high knees. Again, we'll be doing that for 60 seconds. Let's begin. It's a little bit different than the high knees we do for a workout. It's basically, we call it tamal. That's how we practice it. So make sure you'll stay on your toes to get the bounce, and then you try to lift your leg as high as possible. Very nice. Keep breathing, guys. Keep breathing. Stay on your toes. Make sure you are always staying on your toes. That's the key to perform good in a Bhangra workout. Okay, another 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Okay, you can take a rest here for 5 to 10 seconds. After that, we're gonna do our last warm-up exercise, which is jumping jacks. Again, set the clock for 60 seconds. We'll be beginning our next warm-up. Are you ready? Let's start. Very nice. Make sure you get the full arm swing. This is a very good warm-up for your entire body, for your joints, and even for your lower back as well. Very nice. Keep breathing, guys. Keep breathing. The fun part is about to start now. "20 seconds to go. Keep breathing, guys. Keep breathing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. This is the end of our warm-up session. You can take a rest here for 30 to 40 seconds. After this, we are going to teach you all the Bhangra steps we will be using for this particular music. So let's begin with our first step, which is Punjab Jugni. So let's see how it's done. So I'm gonna do the counting for you, and after that you can speed up the process once you learn the correct form. Okay, are you ready? Let's begin. Let's start. Punjab Jugni. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's speed up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. That's it. Let's move on to our next step, which is full Punjab. Let's see how it's done. Please take positions. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. You guys did great. This is the way you guys need to perform. Make sure you stay on your toes when you're performing any Bhangra step. That will give you extra bounce and it looks even better. Let's move on to our next exercise, next Bhangra step, which is full tadi. Let's see how it's done. Please begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's speed up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. Let's move on to our next Bhangra step, which is single chanta. We'll be doing that for 4 times. We have done it in the last session as well. So we are going to repeat the same step. Let's see how it's done. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please move to the side so that people can see. 3, 4. Fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. Okay. Let's move on to our next step, which is double chanta. Let's see how it's done. Again, we'll be doing that for 4 times. Now we're using both our hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's speed up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. Okay. Let's move on to our last step, which is KHEECHWAN. Let's see how it's done. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. That's done. Okay, these are the steps we'll be using in our music. So take a rest here for 15 to 20 seconds if you like, and we're gonna begin with our round 1.
Left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide. Ready, 1, 2, 3, 4. So right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I can dance like Michael Jackson. I can be your thug, man. It's a thriller in the track. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I can dance like Michael Jackson. I can be your satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it and go. Left foot, left foot. Right foot, right foot. Left foot, left foot. I'ma show you how to get it and go. Right foot up, left foot slide. Left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide.
Okay, this is the end of our round 1. I know you are excited and enjoying a lot, but we're gonna take a rest here for 15 to 20 seconds, and then we're gonna move on to our next part of the song. But we will be doing the same steps we did in this part, so you can do it even faster. And let's begin our round 2. Take a rest here for 30 seconds, then we're gonna jump into our round 2.
Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide.
तेरे नाल नचने दा जी करदा है तक के तैनू नी मुंडे रुकदे ने सारे फैशन ओवर छिया दे कपड़े तू पाए तेरी मेरी जोड़ी जचदी you can't lie I'm the cake crust you my cup of chai तुसी मैनू सोहणे लगदे तुसी गड्डी विच मेरे गाने उच्ची सुणदे तुसी करदे ने नखरे आ जानी अल्लड़े तुसी slide on DMs and you hit me right away कल्ली कमरे च शीशे अगे स्टेप सिक के वीडियो बना के पाउंदी ए हो टिकटॉक ते बोली उत्ते बोलियां मैं पावां तेरे नां ते क्लब विच रोला पै गया नी तेरे आण ते hey
left foot right foot left foot I'ma show you how to get it and go right foot up left foot slide left foot up right foot slide basically I'm saying either way we bout to slide can't let this one slide don't you wanna dance with me no I could dance like Michael Jackson.
Okay, well done guys. I hope you guys enjoyed our Bhangra cardio session. More workouts will be coming your way. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and we will see you.
And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it and go right foot up. left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we about to slide. I am the one.
Touch up.